video, let's look into one of the action within AI Builder Control when using Power Automate, named as Business Card Reader. Now, Business Card Reader basically has a pre-built model to extract information from the business card. Now, the format supported are JPEG, PNG, PMP, PDF. So you can have an image document or a actual document like the PDF document containing the business card. Typical size would be like less than 50 meg. So I think any visiting card would be like somewhere around 300, 400 KB, or maybe if it's a good resolution, maybe somewhere around 3 megs. It should not go beyond 50 megs. So that's a decent support size. Uh, Currently, it only supports English and Japanese language. Now, user needs to have a basic user rule to use the business card reader within the Power Platform environment. Now, extracting details. So, what information are you going to extract from the business card? So, there's name, there's job title, there's email, there's company name, phone, but there can be many things else as well because people put so many other things within the business card, like a website address, or maybe they might put maybe an image. Now, I'm not sure whether the image can be extracted out of the business card image, but these are the stock standard things like the name, job title, email, company name, phone. Those things can be extracted from the business card. Now, in Power Automate, if you use the AI Builder control, you will find an action named as Analyze Business Card. So you need to specify the file type and the business card image content bytes. So you need to specify the file content bytes, and then it will give you basically an extraction of these properties. So full name, first name, last name, full address, street, postal code, city, state, country, region, PO box, title, company name, department, website, email, and mobile phone and fax and work phone and other phone. It will also provide you a complete JSON, which is represented over here in the form of like the body. So here, if you see this example, it has extracted the name and it has given the value as whatever is it has find in the visiting card. So let's look into action. Let me show you a couple of visiting card which I have. So I downloaded it from internet, and I'll quickly show you the folder over here. Now this is like the 4 visiting card which I have downloaded from the internet. So let's pick up maybe say this card, and this is the card which I have downloaded from the internet. So it's a sample one. Uh, it's a person's name, person's image, and then the title, phone number, website, and a location. So let's see if this business card reader reads this content correctly or not. All right. So I'm in make.powerautomate.com, and this is a manually triggering a flow. So I'm manually triggering a flow, and I've just written a compose in it. So compose has nothing in it, it has just got a text. I'm going to get rid of this compose. Now here, I'm going to add that action, AI builder action. Now this is just for demonstration purposes. Now how will you utilize in your actual application? So one thing you can do is like say I have the sample canvas app over here. So let me show you the canvas app. So this canvas app basically, you can create a screen. Within that screen, you can give an input control. People can upload an image or a business card, and then from that you will be able to extract the information. Now, why this is useful is because, say, take for example, if your company has organized some a road show or like an event. Where they met with so many prospects, business prospects, and they have given you a business card. Now, instead of looking into each and every business card and typing in manually in your CRM or backend system, you can make use of, say, this Power Apps tool. Now, here you just give one button, and on the click of a button, you call this Power Automate flow. All right, so Power Automate flow. if I click on add an action, so if I type in AI builder, I'll be able to get AI builder action. Now, I have already marked it as favorite. If you click on see more, here you will see all the actions within AI builder. Now I have covered some of the videos. I'm going to cover most of the other items video over here, but the topic for today is to extract the business card details. So if you search for the business card information, so there's so many things. There's a process receipt, there's a process identity document, process documents, generate key phrases, detect language, and so let me click on the first item, analyze business card. Now, analyze business card has two input, file type and the business card. So file type is detect automatically. So let it detect automatically whether it's a PDF or a JPEG or PNG or BMP file. And from here, you need to provide an input. So in the input, I have already given one input. Now I'll just show you from start. So let's assume there's no input over here. You click on add an input and click on file and name the file. Say, maybe I'll call this as business card. And here I can say, please select business card. Over here, when you pass on the information, you click on here and click on see more. And from here, you will see a couple of things. Now we have named a variable business card. Now business card name, the name of the document, and the content part. So we are interested in the content of the document. So we need to pick up this and put it over here. Right. So business card content byte, click on save draft, and then let's publish this. So I'm gonna test this flow. It's a simple flow just with one action. And now when we test this flow, it will ask you to input the file. Now remember the visiting card which I showed you at the start. We are going to input this one. So I'll select the path first, import, and here visiting card. I'll pick up the visiting card, run the flow. Now in our visiting card, we had the name, the title, and we have phone number, we have website, address. So let's see whether this particular action allows us to get those information back or not. So it might take some time for it to analyze the business card. It took somewhere around 19 seconds, depending on how deep the content is. And you will get an output from here, status 200, and this is the output you're going to get. So if you click on show raw output, you will get whole bunch of raw output listed over here. Okay, so it has done a fair bit of job. I'll just copy this and I will analyze in JSON grid desktop, so that I need not parse the JSON and look into each and every value. So I just paste it over here and then I will start inspecting. So headers is fine. I'm interested in the body. So body response v2, prediction output. And then here you will see contact fields, contact, cleaned image. If you go to contact field, so it has extracted 11 fields. As you see over here, it has extracted the full name, Olivia, tit- title, work phone, phone one, email, website, full address, first name, last name, address street, and postal code. So let me open that image and see the content side by side. Okay, so first name, title, phone number. Okay, all good. Then we have email, then we have website, address. So it has picked up the address correctly as well. and it has put in the first name, last name. So all good. This looks really good. In address street, it has copied the full address. For that's completely fine with us. So it has done a good job, I'd say. If I remove the contact fields from here, if I go into the contact, now here in contact, it will give you a contact object directly. So instead of you parsing through all the fields and checking, it will give you that contact field, and then from this contact field you have all the things which you require for your CRM, and then based on the Power Automate flow you can inject this output into your CRM system. And there is a cleaned image over here, so it will give you the image slash png, the base 64 encoded image of the image which you have uploaded, which is a visiting card. Now how can you use this field? So you go into the Power Automate flow over here, click on edit. So let me minimize this, close this. Yeah. So click on this, and I'll just put a compose box over here. And what are the things which you can extract from here? If I click over here, I can see analyze the business card, see more, 22 items. So I can extract the full name, first name, last name, full address, street, postal code, city, etc. Now there is something called as a contact as well. So remember, this contact is the contact object which is available over here. So once you get that contact object, you can extract through the properties listed over here. So you need not go into the individual field and put it in CRM. You have got that contact object. You can take that entire object and push it into your CRM. So that's it, folks. This is all about analyze business card control or action within Power Automate, which is a part of AI Builder, which will allow you to scan the business card available within your image file or a PDF document. Thanks for watching.